Welcome guys, today I'm with the Vivo X80 Pro and I'm going to show you 5 camera tips for this camera device. So at the first, we can focus on the zoom feature. As you can see, it's right here. So we can go for the ultra wide lens, telephoto lens and the 5x zoom. If you want to go forward, you can tap on already selected preset of the zoom. And as you can see with this slider, we can go far away, closer to any object. And the maximum zoom in this phone is the 60x. And also in the left corner right here, you get the preview of zooming. So that's how we can adjust it. Of course, you can make it with the 2 fingers by pinching like that. So you can decide the weight to zoom in or out. The second option will be about taking photos, so we can make it in a few different ways. The first one, very obvious, you can just tap on the shutter. You can also press on the volume up or the volume down. You can click right here and open more settings, then select shutter, and here we can take photos by touching screen, saying cheese, or showing the palm of our hand. So the first one works like that, the second one cheese, and the last one you have to just show the palm of your hand to the selfie camera. Let me show you. So I'm gonna switch like that. There it is. As you can see, the photo was taken. And that was the second tip. Another one will be about the brightness and the color adjustment. So to adjust the brightness, you can just tap on the screen, and then with this slider, as you can see, you can decrease or increase this brightness level. That's very simple. To change brightness and colors, you can tap also right here and pick different filters. With this slider, you can also adjust the strength of the filter. If you want to go back for the original, just click right here. And if you want to get the natural color, you can pick this Zeiss natural color filter. As you can see, it changed color. And honestly, I can tell you that this preview looks more real than this one. So it looks like this filter is really working. So the colors that you can see on the preview looks almost identical in the real in front of me. Okay, so right now we can go right here and enable another option. It's the shutter. As you can see, we can pick between the 3, 5 or 10 second delay. So let's pick 3 seconds. Let's take photo. And as you can see, after this countdown, the photo will be taken. And the last useful option that I can recommend you, it will be for sure right here. It's the stabilization. That's one of the best features that you can find in this phone. So right now, all your shots will be more stable. So the pictures will look definitely better with more details and with the better quality. So yeah, that's my 5 tips for this device, for the Vivo X80 Pro camera. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.